AAS Arbitrage release Jesam Michael, jail the real thief. Protesters dem don cry out for court. Welcome, country people, to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, heavy gbege con dey for the Federal Capital Territory High Court when e dey for Jabi, Abuja on Wednesday as hundreds of aggrieved investors of Afriq Arbitrage System, wey dem know as AAS, come full the courthouse, come dey demand the prosecution of one Abayomi Oluwasesan, when they accuse say e embezzle the sum of $87 million from the company. The protest, when e come quick gather momentum online because of the video when e dey show placard waving demonstrators, when e dey chant slogans like Abayomi na im be the thief, where our $87 million, na passionate call for justice and the immediate release of the embattled AAS founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Jesam Michael, when he currently dey for inside Kuje Correctional Center, where they remand am. The investors dem dey allege say the man when he true dey responsible for the financial crisis for the Afriq Arbitrage System not be Jesam Michael, but im former worker Abayomi Oluwasesan. According to multiple protest leaders, Jesam entrusts Abayomi with operational control during one period of medical recovery, only for Abayomi to betray that trust. They give Abayomi the key to keep the business running, while Jesam, according to am, dey hospital dey treat himself. Na one investor when e name na Albert Churchill, when e dey visibly emotional, na im dey address the crowd. He say instead, Abayomi come use the access when Jesam Michael give am to lock Jesam out of the system. He come transfer millions into im personal account, and he come go dey spend the money lavishly, dey buy cars, houses, and he dey travel first class up and down with people front, allegedly. Investor Mr. Chibuzo, he come hard say why Abayomi report say he don return a few assets under a plea deal, the bulk of the money is still dey locked in crypto wallets under im control. And according to Abayomi, e no fit find the drive where they keep that wallet, even when plenty people not believe wetin in the talk. The protesters then, they sing and they shout, say this one not be just a bad bail for Jesam. Chibuzo come dey emphasize. He said this one na to recover wetin they steal. He say dem no dey shout in ignorance. The facts are out there. Abayomi don even admit say he take the money. So why im dey free and na the CEO, Jesam Michael, when he try to help people through blockchain innovation, na con dey detention. This protest, it don't gain momentum because of one June 13 post by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, when they announce, say they'll go take Jesam go court. However, that EFCC post, it can't trigger an unexpected twist, as over 1,000 of the 1,033 public comments for Instagram that they stand to defend Jesam Michael. And because of that overwhelming consensus online, it can't declare, say many Nigerians, they believe, say that they punish the wrong person, while the actual criminal, he remain untouched. The scene for the courthouse, it can't paint picture of deep frustration, but also it can call for a united action. Protesters them they vow, say they go continue their lawful demonstration until the alleged thief, they hold them accountable and they return investors' funds. He said this not be just about one man. This one, now the protest coordinator, Tina Adebayo, now he talk am. He said it's about trust in the justice system and the protection of innovation for Nigeria. Jesam Michael built something powerful. Abayomi destroy am. Now the system must correct this wrong. As the court proceedings dey underway and public interest for the matter dey surge because of the amount of money when people deposit for the scheme, all eyes now dey on the Nigerian judiciary, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, and law enforcement agencies. They go hear wetin the protesters dey talk so and go after Abayomi Oluwasesan with the same energy when they use now against Jesam Michael. For the thousands of Afriq Arbitrage investors when they demand answers, one thing dey clear according to the report. He say the fight, it dey far from being over. Country people, this call for the arrest of Oluwasesan Abayomi not be new call. Now wetin don dey on for many years. Reports say they initially arrest am until after a time they come release am. Will the people get their money back?